Let's say you found a really good video which you'd like to share with your students and you're wondering how to go about doing that. The button of interest is this one here, the Share button. Share or embed this video. Let's click on that now. You'll notice that you get a few different options. There's the link option, there's the embed option, there's email, and there's also a sharing option via social media. Going back over here to the left, you'll notice that the link is already selected. You can see here that the text is actually in blue, which means you can go ahead and use your shortcuts of Control-C and Control-V to do a copy and paste, or Command if you're using the Mac, or if you like to be a little bit old-fashioned from time to time like I do, you can go to the top of your screen, choose Edit, Copy. That's now copied it to the clipboard. You can go into a document and then choose Edit, Paste. The other thing that you can do is if you have a website that you would like to embed the video in so that the video actually appears in a player in a website, you can click on the Embed button and that will give you this little bit of code. Once again, you can see that it is blue and which means that it's selected, which means that you can use the same Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste or the shortcuts and just copy and paste that code into your website. Now that might be applicable if you're trying to copy this into your school's Moodle site, for example. So that's the code that you would use. Now you also have a few options down here where you can change the size of the video. Now that just changes the size of the player and how it's going to appear in your website. So if you want it to be smaller or bigger, you can click on one of these squares and it will update this code. The other thing is you can hit the email button, but you'll need to be signed in as a Google user in order to use that properly. Or you can use one of your social media platforms. And if you click on more, you'll see that there are more platforms here for you to choose from. So sharing videos in YouTube is actually quite simple. And all you need to do is choose one of these methods.